Hello, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Today I am gonna show you how to view your Wi-Fi password from Windows. This is the very easiest way and this is a very quickly. Okay, let's go. Firstly, you go to here is the internet access icon you see here, or you can go by setting. Here is the setting option. Here is the setting option. You can see network and internet, then click, and here is the Wi-Fi section. You see that Wi-Fi, click on Wi-Fi and see here is the option of network and sharing. Here is the option network and sharing center in the right side of your computer desktop. Okay, then click here. This interface, this tab is open. You see this interface and click here. You see the access type internet and connection Wi-Fi. Okay, then you click on Wi-Fi. You see this interface, this tab, pop-up tab open, and you see here wireless properties. Okay, click here wireless properties, and that new tab open, new pop-up tab open, and here is the connection, and the another option is security. Click here security, and you can see the show characters, network security key. Okay, then click on, here is the box, you need to click here. Okay, click here and see what is your Wi-Fi password. This is my Wi-Fi password. You can also know what is your Wi-Fi password if you don't know. Okay, this is the easiest way. I hope you can understand now. Thank you very much.